Hey everyone! Today I'm talking about a powerful AI tool for enterprises called Aria. If your company wants to use AI safely and effectively, this platform can really help. Aria is a platform that helps companies build and manage AI assistants without needing deep coding or technical setup. You can connect Aria to your company's data, apps, and tools, and it lets your teams use AI in their daily work securely. For example, let's say a company wants to create an AI assistant for customer support. With Aria, they can quickly build a bot that connects to their CRM, answers questions, and even updates records, all with full control and tracking. Later, they can make more AI assistants for HR, finance, or legal using the same platform. On Aria, we have lots of AI models to choose from. We can also use pre-integrated MCP servers and tools. For example, we can select the Google MCP server to integrate Drive files, Gmail, and calendar events, everything in a secure manner. We can choose from different tools made available by Aria, including databases like Postgres and MySQL. We can connect to tools like Slack, Jira, or Microsoft Teams. These tools can be used to trigger workflows or send and retrieve information for analysis and taking next steps. Aria allows us to implement RAG technique literally in 2 clicks. Let's say we have thousands of legal documents in a law firm, and we want to securely retrieve relevant information by asking questions. Assume that these documents are available on Google Drive. We just have to click on Data Sources and choose Google Drive. We enter the name of the data source, click on Authenticate with Google button to log in, then we choose the specific folder where the documents are stored. We keep the ingestion settings to default and click on the Done button. That's it. Now we can create an agent that connects with this data source. Let's create a new agent that connects to this Google Drive data source and start asking questions. For instance, we can ask, "Give me details on the non-disclosure agreement that happened with TerraSteps this year." Our agent will go through all the documents and find the relevant information instantly. This is just one small example of what Aria can do. Let's build a slightly more complex agent. Today, we will build a custom agent, which is connected to our Postgres Digital Media Store database and also a books catalog. We will explore how we can connect different data sources together inside a single chatbot and how to configure it easily to choose the right dataset for customer queries. I have books catalog information stored inside Airtable. I have created an API key in Airtable to connect Airtable with the chatbot. Let's click on Airtable MCP server and choose our credentials. As I have already added my API key as a credential, I will choose it from the dropdown. After that, let's click on Connect MCP server. That's it. Our Airtable is now ready to connect with our chatbot. But companies can have data stored across different data sources, and we should be able to connect to all of them. Let's go to the Tools section and click on Postgres Query Tool. Here we need to enter connection details for our Postgres database. I will first enter the host name of my Postgres instance. Then we will choose the database and keep the port to its default value. Next, we need to enter authentication details for our Postgres instance, including username and password. Let's test our integration by clicking on Run statement. If everything goes well, you should see a connection successful message. Let's create our tool. Now, let's go to the project section and create a new agent. Let's delete the AI model node from our canvas. Our goal is to take input from the user and send them output based on their question or information request. Let's add a new flow control node named Router. This router will make intelligent decisions based on custom queries. It will select the correct dataset based on the query. Let's drag the router onto our canvas and create routes. First, let's choose our model for the router. Next, inside the route section, we will need 2 routes. The first route will go to the Airtable dataset, and the second route will go to the Postgres database. We will add prompts about when to select each current route. Now we can see our routes. Node has 2 new routes at the bottom. Let's now drag a new AI model node onto the canvas. We click on Edit Node and select our model. Once selected, we go to the Tools section and click on Add Tool. Here we will select Airtable MCP. Next, we will write a custom prompt with additional details while interacting with Airtable. Next, we will drag one more AI model node and choose our model. This time inside the Tools section, we will select Postgres as a tool. Once selected, again, we will write any custom prompt while interacting with Postgres. Finally, we will connect all the nodes to each other. Area has a dedicated section to test our agent. We click on Test and start testing our agent by asking a few questions. First, we will ask about books in the tech category. Our agent should detect the correct flow based on the user's request and retrieve data using tools. In this case, it should use Airtable. Next, whenever we ask for any details about media tracks, for example, asking about the total track count, our agent should detect the flow where the Postgres database is involved and execute queries based on the user's request. Once testing is completed, we can publish our agent to customers so they can use it. You can try Area by clicking on the link added in the description. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe.